Hello everyone, welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 170th Street. Today I have a 2020 Lexus RC300 in Caviar. This is the F Sport 2. Under the hood is a 3.5 liter V6 engine. You have 18-inch alloy wheels and keyless entry. Inside is Rioja red leather interior with 8-way power seats, blind spot monitor, automatic high beams and others, memory seating, power windows, doors, and side mirrors. You have a leather F Sport steering wheel with paddle shifters along with your cruise control, audio controls, lane assist, and others. Your dashboard, push to start, infotainment center that can be controlled from the touchpad. Dual climate control along with your audio controls. Down here is your heated and ventilated seats along with your heated steering wheel, mode selector, and a touchpad. Spacious center console. To access the back, you can simply pull from either the driver or passenger seats, revealing a spacious back seat. You have an automatic trunk door. Under the carpet hidden is your spare tire, but manual closing. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.